TriviaPixel is a website that allows you to create a custom quiz in seconds. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'll do in this case is let's go with how to use AI for maximum, let's say, business productivity, specifically by being as resourceful, or let's say specifically by saving time and increasing efficiency. Let's go with that, and let's go with medium. We'll leave it at 10 questions, and then we'll generate the quiz. So let's see what TriviaPixel is going to give us here. It's my first time using it, but I think this can be a great way to potentially check any sort of to check the uplift in understanding from students in any sort of class or workshop. Could be potentially something I use in my workshops, just to make sure the understanding of the participants is exactly where it should be. So I'm just gonna, okay, looks like it's done now. So we've got a competition we can do, so it could be single player, it could be a public quiz as well. Cool, so let me edit the questions and see what questions we have here. So a team wants to use AI to reduce meeting time without losing key decisions. Which workflow usually delivers biggest time savings?
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
With lowest adoption. Okay, so we've got some options here, and then we've got the correct answer. Cool. So when using AI for customer support, which metric best shows that productivity gains are coming from efficiency rather than simply pushing agents to work faster? Lower average handle time with stable CSAT and fewer escalations. Wow, interesting stuff. This is actually quite detailed. Cool, certainly a lot better than I thought it would be. Isn't as basic as it potentially could be. We've got the description here, but perhaps that's because I selected a medium difficulty. Now you can actually play it as a single player, or even create a competition, which is quite interesting. This could be very useful actually, because competition is certainly one thing that will make sure these teams, the teams that are, let's say, in an AI workshop, or let's say in a school or any sort of educational institution, actually have some incentive. Cool, so definitely check out TriviaPixel if you think it would be useful for you. I think this is a useful platform. You can also see your quizzes here, and of course you can edit the questions too. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. And of course, if you're building something interesting, feel free to give me a shout if you like it showcased, or yeah, if you've got if there's a tool you'd like me to do a demo of, feel free to send that over as well.